Hi, my name is Walter, and I was prescribed by another dentist to come see Dr. Eastman 7 years before I actually came in, because I had heard kind of horror stories about skin grafts and things of that nature, and it wasn't until my lower bottom teeth started getting a little loose that I decided I needed to do something, because I kind of prided myself on never having had a cavity, and I thought, you can't ruin this at the end. So I decided to come in, and fortunately I had waited long enough where there wasn't the skin grafting. They would still do it, but now they had done this pinhole surgery where they would inject my gums, and it was very professional. When I set an appointment, I would sit in the waiting room literally minutes and then be led back to different rooms, and everyone was very courteous. The doctor was very knowledgeable, and he had an assistant there the whole time, and he would talk to me exactly, telling me what he was doing as he was doing it, dictating letters at the same time, and I felt like I was in the middle of a big production. He was very professional. He wanted to make sure I understood everything. He asked me who my prior dentist was. I told him, happened to be a friend of his. He dictated a letter to that dentist letting him know. He crossed his T's, dotted his I's, had me come back, and literally they jumped on me, and it seemed like the 2 hours it took went by in 1 hour. Pain and discomfort, not much at all. And I talked to people that had had the skin graft surgery, and they had agonized and only did a few teeth. He literally did every single tooth in my head and brought everything up basically to where it was when I was a teenager. And I couldn't brush for a while, but that didn't even last that long until they brought me back and showed me these different techniques that I could do, made me feel comfortable enough, and today's kind of my final polishing day, and it feels good, and I couldn't be happier with it. So this has been a really good experience, and I'd recommend it to anybody.